Going on, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. Hopefully, you guys are having a good week so far. We got some nice streams so far. Back to back winning days to start the month. So we'll definitely take that. Let's keep the momentum rolling. Lots of trading sessions ahead of us. So that's always going to be the case. But really, when we have a new month, just got to reiterate it. If we're playing for the long term. So hopefully, you're having a good week so far. If not, it's Wednesday. We can still turn things around. And even if you don't turn it around by Friday, you can still do so by Monday, Tuesday. Just keep trucking forward, shall we? But what's up, Nate? Good morning, James. What's up? Good morning. Happy birthday. Fuck off. What's going on? Good morning, Jacob. What's up? How we doing? How we doing? So ES looking a little weak. Inside bar day, pretty sideways overnight. Underneath its POC, no new high of day made, so it is an inside bar day. When we talk about potential shorts, we were saying, well, if we take out a previous day's low, meaning it becomes an outside bar day because we broke out of yesterday's high or low, you mark that off yesterday. We haven't done either. So we're still stuck within yesterday's price action, meaning trend hasn't continued overnight, which if it was longs continuing overnight, we would have made a new high. But doesn't mean that shorts are in because we still haven't taken out of yesterday's low. So unfortunately, it's quite a ways away before we could really love the shorts because we know a higher low could be formed here and we're right back up. So that's why shorts could work. Probably going to miss one. Maybe I'll take the second one. Going back to yesterday, talking about the yesterday, didn't take out yesterday's low. So makes a higher low, there's the higher high. But pretty sideways. ES at least. NQ this morning, probably back at its VWAP, but did make a new high. A higher high, new all-time high. So how am I selling NQ at all-time highs? Probably not. Definitely look like a higher low wants to be formed off this VWAP, but I do know ES looks a whole lot different underneath its VWAP. So that is a little bit tricky. Above its POC here, above the overnight VWAP on ES, underneath the POC, underneath its VWAP. That ain't good. I want trend continuation and alignment across all the assets, but I think YM was down. YM's beat down a little bit. So with YM moving down and Q was moving up, ES sideways but down. So nothing really too sexy overnight, unfortunately. Hunting free? What's up? What does that mean? What you want for free? Little down on Monday, big up on Tuesday. There you go. 3 month you got to pay, then not charge the next month. So hunting guy, if you go to AceFX TV, which I'll be live at the open today, and you sign up, you use code FIRST, and you'll see it drop from $97 to $0. So your first month is free. You don't have to pay, and then it's free, and then pay again. It's just first month free. If you use code FIRST here on AceFX TV, and then, yeah, after the 30 days, if you don't want to continue, you cancel it before you get charged, right? Caught the initial short last night right at the 5 p.m. open. I mean, yeah, that thing sank a little bit, right back up, right back down where we were. Right at that was only like 7 o'clock or so, yeah. Hunting, I tried. It's trying to charge me. I mean, you got to put in the coupon code then, I would say. I'm signed in, so it's going to look different for me. But as long as you put in the discount code, the promo code, it's going to be free. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So you're not doing something correct. So I did have a short marked up on NQ. I did not play it. Wednesday pre-market, we're going to fade every VWAP at all-time highs. But I honestly did have a short marked up. It was right here. Just trying to trade back to the VWAP because at this time at 8:09, let's go to ES at 8:09, time of day 8:09, we're underneath the VWAP and like retesting it. So I was like, this might want to come back lower because it's been all shorts overnight, and that's going to drag NQ with it being that's far from VWAP, but it's a guessing game. I don't know if this is going to fall at that exact moment. It's been nothing but higher highs and higher lows. Just idea saying, well, ES is under its VWAP and could bounce here, and Q is a little overextended. I would like it to come back to this VWAP, even if we do bounce again, right? Find more longs. Just an idea. Didn't take it because that's mighty aggressive, shorting it at all-time highs. But we'll give this some more time. See where we're shaking up at into the open. You know, ES is underneath its VWAP. We'll see if NQ could try to hold it for the next 45 minutes or so. But hunting the coupon is first. It's on the bottom of the screen. Let's go over Monday's trade. So Monday, we took the double break play. For anyone that's unfamiliar with any of my strategy, it's all available for free when you guys hunting and anyone else. When you do sign up for AceFX TV, you get all the live streams as well as all the courses and all the replays of the live streams. So hours upon hours of content. And then in here, you'll see the break play, the bounce play, all that good stuff. So Monday, double break, meaning both sides of the opening range were broken. The opening range is the first 15 minutes, high and low of the first 15 minutes. So we break the upside first, small with a wick, also right to the daily VWAP. So I'm not a buyer yet, as long as we're underneath that black one. Now we are above the blue one from the New York. So buyers are short term in control since then, but I can't buy it saying trend is bullish if this VWAP's above me. Because then once we break back below, we have full alignment for the shorts because we're beneath both VWAPs. So I sell it once sellers take back control underneath the blue VWAP, having broken out the top. Let's also go break the bottom. And that's why the exit is there, which I have a markup of this on Monday, right? This second markup? No. This one? Look at that exit. Right at the bottom of range, which is the play, going for the double break into previous structure. So if you don't get out there, right back to break even, and this does actually come back higher, you would lose. So trade the plan. Don't trade your P&L. Don't trade your risk reward. Trade the plan. Please, please, please. And then yesterday, just a single break, trend continuation. So the first long came from the New York VWAP, as it often does, right? The money, I should say, a big move when it breaks above New York VWAP there. Now, with the breaks of the opening range, how the previous markup I said double break, I at least want one break, right? I find my best trades when I go through my markups. We have taken out a side rather than we just formed it. Now this might even be at 9:44 before the range is even set, honestly, now that I see the time down here. So even more reason. I'm not trading in the first 15 minutes, but it is a nice take of New York VWAP after we held the daily VWAP, held the New York, similar to the day prior, right? We pulled back to the black one, break back beneath the blue. Let's go lower. This morning we were more bullish, so let's pull back to the black one, hold it, break above the blue. I don't call them out by their colors. I'm just doing that for simplicity right now. And we miss it. It goes for a nice new high. Oh my God, FOMO. I want to go long. This is clearly bullish. Just wait for your pullback to VWAP. It's as simple as that. All my best trades are when I'm off this blue line. So if we're not there, I don't care about it because I know I have the best odds when we are there. So we get a pullback. There's our higher low. Trade back into same thing. Previous structure. You see the exit here. I'm just trading back to right where we've already been. Previous structure to the left. High of day for a long, probably low of day for a short, right? But this one was clean. Just following the higher lows rather than chasing. I mean, you think about it. If you were to chase this breakout, which I don't do, this is the move that you would catch. This small little break for a new high. I end up buying at the very same price, but 40 minutes later, maybe even an hour later, and I catch the same distance and the same numbers, right? 70 to 70 almost. So it's like you can still get this move if you just wait an hour. You don't need to play it the first time. Just wait for the pullback. You'll find your trade. Just like today. I could have shorted that thing off the top here. Oh my God, I knew it. That thing was coming back. We'll find a trade. There's a million trades. We're good. Vito, what's up? RS, hi Evan. Yesterday NAS trade was brilliant. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's clean yesterday. ES was also clean. I made a YouTube video on it. It should be coming out. That one actually might not be out for a few days because I have 2 others that I'm waiting on. So there's 3 YouTube videos coming out whenever I get them back. But ES actually had some clean trades yesterday too. Same premise as not trading them differently. But let's rewind this. See what we can get. Was this yesterday? Yeah. So looking back on yesterday, ES 1 minute. The New York VWAP still. You get a nice bounce. You can scalp some money in there. Get out and buy it back at the same price or a lower price and catch another part of the move. We had a good conversation about this on stream rather than be long here. Yes, it works out. I'm not saying you don't make money, but you went 7 points into profit. Now back to break even. How are you feeling? Are you pissed? Do you wish you closed it up there? Was your stop at break even and now you're even more pissed? And then, yes, it bounces back up again and maybe you end up walking away with 10 points, right? Let's say another push for a high. I'll get out now. So you got 10 points out of the trade. Beautiful. Nothing wrong with that. Or you long it, you pop 7 points, you bag it. Pulls back to view up, you long it again, you catch, I don't know, another 7. So that trader got 14. Or maybe they hold it to where you did and they got 10 and 7. They got 17 points. So by holding it longer, wanting more, didn't make you more. You would have made more by getting out sooner. It's pretty counterintuitive, no? That by just playing it twice, taking your profits, bagging the win, you could, you don't always have to do it, but you could play it again and try to make more that way rather than causing more stress of like, shit, I wish I closed it. Now we're back at break even. Because no one was going to long it here and get out up here. None of you. No one got out at 31. Saying beautiful trade. Glad I held that thing. Just play it twice and you'll make money. If you need that big of a move to feel satisfied, either your expectations are beyond wild or you're just risking way too little. That you need that big of a move to see the dollar amount that you want. That this whole move was worth $400 for you. You're like, thank you. I'll take my trade now. Where it's like I make 400 in that little move, so I'm good. I'm fine. See the difference? It's not the trade or how far it goes. It's just you're probably using not enough risk, and or yeah, your expectations are crazy. Yeah, is this thing going to keep coming lower with ES being all below VWAPs? I wouldn't trust this bounce here, even though we're pre-market heading into the open. I'm not doing anything. But how much more do we go before buyers can show their face a little bit, step in a little bit? There you go. Very nice, RS. What's your real name? I saw you on stream yesterday. I'm just going to call you RS or '05 or 97. Ugly. It's a slow grind. This is Friday. Friday was choppy in this box, if you guys remember. Disgusting. And then even on Monday, we sat down here for a while and then it finally did pop. But the next Asia session, right back in there again. Retested it again. What happens when we get down here? If we get down here today. That's still just slowly trying to make these higher lows on the bottom. It's not a bearish trend by any means. We just made an all-time high less than 24 hours ago. So it's long still, but it doesn't mean you can't make money to the downside. But how far does it go? Where when we play longs, it's like, yeah, trend continuation. This can continue as high as it wants. With shorts, it's like how much steam do the shorts have before buyers say, okay, that's enough. We're going to step back in again, right? This was the only move down. Buyers stepped back in. Quick move down. Buyers corrected it very quickly. So don't get stuck holding a short for too long. The day that it melts, let it melt. You'll make your money to the upside a whole lot easier. You don't need everything. Rohan, oh, okay. Makes sense, makes sense. From India. Nice. Welcome on in. What time is it there? Probably late. That was really it. Anyone got questions from yesterday's trade or on Monday? There's plenty of more YouTube videos on it. I have YouTube videos on it. I know Austin, at least Austin, just posted one yesterday or 2 days ago, honestly, about the double break. So if you haven't watched his video of it, I talked about it at the boot camp. I mean, come on. We're talking about it everywhere. So if you're confused on it, you have 51 minutes of it here. And then he posted another video. He posted all the boot camp stuff. So, right, it's another one. It's 11 minutes, a little bit more bite size from the same boot camp. Double break. Double break. So if you're confused, I don't want to hear it because you shouldn't be. Well, unless you've never seen these videos, but like, are you even looking for them? You're just going to stay confused and hope you figure it out? Man, this guy says it a lot, huh? Double break breakdown. This guy's getting repetitive. Double break trade. I mean, Jesus. I didn't even notice it was this bad. This man's pressing it. Is that the last one? There I am. Is that the last one? Maybe. That's funny. I mean, I do the same. I don't do double break. I do a lot of VWAP bounce. Best VWAP. What do we think about this? My editing team is now putting AI as my face. I don't know. I don't know. Look at that. Looks so sad. This one looks like me, but doesn't look like me. These two aren't terrible, right? It's clearly AI, but it's clearly me. Kinda. Same thing with this. I just look older. I look beat up. But these pictures are young, so I do need to get new headshots if I'm gonna stray from the AI. There was one more, yeah, this one. Never made that face in my life. But anyways, I got plenty of videos as well. I try to do them daily, like I was saying. I'm waiting on I have the videos in my drafts. I'm waiting for the editing team to send them over. So when they get them, I'll post them. But yeah, VWAP setup, VWAP strategy, number one VWAP, VWAP bounce, trade trend with VWAP, VWAP mistake, simple VWAP strategy. It's all same. I have one double break of the orb. There you go. Daily VWAP bounce, my payouts, VWAP, contract size. I literally have it all. I post way too many videos. So the information's out there. It's just a matter of, do you really want to know it? Do you really want to learn it? I'm not going to spoon feed it to you. Oh, he lives for the double break. Yeah. He lives for it more than I do. I mean, it pays. It's a great setup, but he lives for it. He dreams of it. Yeah, I have. I've never made that face. I don't know. We'll see what today's looks like once they send it over. If it's another bad AI, I'm going to tell them to stop. Oh, I got one. They did it again. I got one today. I don't know. I was just sent this 20 minutes ago. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. I don't like it. The hair is fine. That's my hair. I don't think they touched that. Something's going on with that lip. Who is that? The eyes are fine as well. The mouth has got to go. Yeah, like I just look weathered. You know, what's going on? I look like I'm made of leather. I got one more. This one might be even worse. Fuck. So the videos will be out today since I got them back. Here we go. The hair is fine. AI knows how to do my hair, that's for sure. This one's not as bad, actually. The lips look more normal, but I still look like a bag of shit. What do we think? I like the right guy, but he looks so old and pissed. I don't know. I'm gonna go back to real faces. I'm gonna have to take new pictures. Damn, it's crazy what they could do though. Like I'm talking about the best view up indicator. I just look pissed as fuck. I should be happy. This indicator is awesome. When this thing is stupidly simple, I'm just like, yeah, fuck you. Point to this candle. But hey, I'll leave it up to them. Gotta give them some direction. So I also let them put on the title. I trust them with everything since they say they know. But they've been trying it out. It's been like a week, right? Because you go back to my page, it's only been 2 weeks, but I haven't posted many in the last 2 weeks because I'm fucking waiting. But anyways, it's really only the last 5 videos have this AI shit, so we're trying. We're seeing. But yeah, stupidly simple. I didn't tell them to put that. I might have told them this. Oh well. What else are you going to talk about pre-market than my face and AI? Last day before payout, staying patient and disciplined and waiting for the market. Yeah, beautiful. One more day to pay out. No need to rush. If you don't like it, don't take it. If you still don't like it later, don't take it. Get the payout tomorrow. You got one more bullet in the chamber. You better be worth it. That's your perspective on this next trade. Is this really worth it to maybe set me back further from the payout? And then that maybe throws me off tilt. And then I get even further from the payout. And then poof, it's gone. All because I just rushed into one trade. Everything spiraled. Hopefully not. But it's okay. This last trade means significantly more than the rest. If you really go down into it, it does because there's a payout on the line. But don't think of it that it's just a trade. But it's got to be worth it. I'm just going to keep on taking what's paid me so far to get this close to payout. I'm not going to deviate from the plan now. It's gotten me this far. So if it doesn't look like it, I'm not going to do it. So could I long it off here saying we're due for a bounce to VWAP? Yeah, but that's not the trade I want to take to get to payout. Fuck that. David, what's up? Good morning. So we got 2 videos. Which one would you got? It's up to you. If you're tuning in here and you want to participate in the chat, which one would you rather come out today? The indicator or the stupidly simple? Let me double check. One of them's Monday's recap. Oh, no, not even. One of them's from last Friday. Now I even forget. All right, we'll go with the stupidly simple. That is the one they sent me first anyway, so maybe that's the one that should come out first. Stupid face. Stupidly simple strategy. Everything's stupid. All right, you guys all want stupidly simple. That's good. You want simple stuff because I got simple stuff for you. Luna, what's up, my man? How are you? So we got 25 minutes or so until the open and 20 minutes until A's FX TV. So if you haven't signed up yet, I'm just live here pre-market. Then we're going to jump over to A's FX TV, do some giveaways probably tomorrow and Friday of a different prop firm accounts. But that's where we live trade every morning. We have 2 streams this afternoon. Zach's going to be live trading at 1 o'clock Eastern, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And then we have New York Open streams every day. You also get the courses, the replays of everything. So hopefully you'll sign up. And by the open, you can tune in. Doesn't take very long at all. But it's first month free, so just use code FIRST. If it's not free, then you didn't do it right. You didn't put in the discount code of FIRST. First. Not number 1, ST. Spell it out. Just keep trying until it works. But yeah, kind of build on a good start to the month. NQ telling me to long it right off its VWAP. ES is telling me to stay away from everything. This thing is stuck in a range. And YM's doing YM things. Keep an eye on how the stocks open up. I do try to focus on trade what's in front of me. So if NQ is telling me to long it, I'm going to probably have to try to trade along and say, no, this can't go higher because ES is moving lower. Maybe ES can't go lower because NQ is coming higher. You ever think about that? So you're only going to know based off the outcome of like, yeah, we didn't go higher. That's probably because ES was coming lower. Or if we did go higher, it's like, well, yeah, why not? We were above VWAP. ES didn't go any lower because we went high. So it's just a pick and choose. It doesn't work. It's all hindsight. Yeah, there you go, Luna. Yeah, maybe we should have chose a different code. But it's on the bottom of the screen here, so you're good. Could have just done code ASFX or something. But it's out of my department. My department is thumbnail faces. You got any else? But it's like when we do Instagram covers, I got a bunch of those today. Those are normal. That's me. That's my face. And again, a picture perfect double break setup. Can't get enough of the double break. It looks just like my office. That's kind of wild. But it's perfect. So they do it there. Let's keep the theme rolling across the board, shall we? Anyone in a trade already pre-market? Long in it, short in it? flatten it. The new indicator, it's down below right where you see the indicator actually here on the bottom. If you guys can read that, it might be a little small, but just go to acefx.biz/indicator. Normally, for the most part, with anything, acefx.biz/ whatever you're looking for. In this case, you want the indicator, boom, indicator. If you want to hold a Prime account, boom, HP, boom. But yeah, or you can go to Flux Charts. I'll send the link as well, but if you go to fluxcharts.com/ASFX, you'll get to there. Or you guys are all watching on X and YouTube anyways. So if you go to my X or YouTube, click on the link in bio. It's going to be the first thing you see. Nice and easy. And for anyone that has these issues, you shouldn't, first of all. But if you go to my YouTube and X, the link in bio, and you go to the ASFX TV, first off, it says what code to use first. It has it here. So if you copy that and click this link, it's going to look different for me because I'm already logged in. Boom. You're going to get it changed to 0. If you click that link, like the coupon's already applied. But if you go to ASFX TV on your own, then yeah, you're going to have to put it in yourself, which isn't a problem. But if you have trouble with it, there you go. Flat, nice. And Q longs are ready. It's a nice level. I think if ES looked a little bit more bullish, would I join it? I would want to join it. Be matter if I have the balls to trade at 9:10, 20 minutes into the open. But no matter how you slice it, this is the level that I'm interested in pullbacks to. I mean, you see how well it was respected overnight. Buyers defending. This is where we find bounces from. There's no doubt about that. So I think if ES was just at least hovering around its daily VWAP, okay, buyers are holding control. They're probably going to pop us higher at the open. But we're just making lower lows over here. Completely different party. So a little bit tougher there. But, a couple people on stream yesterday close to payout. So hopefully they got it or they're close again. Even closer. Like $200, 400, 600. Couple days. I got no payouts in June. It's been 3 days. I got shit. I ain't got nothing. Got a couple Holo Prime accounts. I still have TOF accounts that I took a payout on last week. So that's in May. But nothing in June. But we'll get those. I also have my TPT Live account that I haven't touched yet. I got that like a week ago. Haven't touched it. I probably should. And that's about it. I don't have any Lucids. I don't have any. Yeah, that's it. As of yet. I know many more of you are trading Lucid, so I'll probably try it out eventually. If I have 2 direct accounts with Lucid, or I just said I don't. I have 2 direct accounts with Holoprime, 2 or 3 instant fundeds with TOF, and my TPT Live account, Pro Plus, whatever. And that's about it. So those are the focus for June. Take a pet on all of them. The live one's going to be interesting just because take whatever I make. But with these TOFs and Hola, there's a target that I'm shooting for to take out a certain amount of money. And then there you go. Then we have news at 10 o'clock too, right? PMI, services PMI at 10. And Treasury Secretary Bessent speaks. And then tomorrow we got nothing. Unemployment claims pre-market. That's every Thursday. Oh, Friday's NFP. That makes sense. First Friday of every month. I used to really care about NFP. I used to trade a little bit more pre-market, like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. So it was like, well, yeah, it's going to shake up our trades potentially. But now I'm not in a trade at 8:30 anyways. And it's not on a Forex pair or anything like that. Because that used to be like Euro USD. What's going to happen to the dollar? I'm just trading the indices at the open now. So NFP is not the end of the world. It'll be done before we're even on stream. I hope you don't miss streams this month. I'm missing plenty. I think I'm missing all of next week. And I'm missing the following Friday and the following Monday of that. So there's at least 7 days you don't have me. So you have to trade the double break all on your own. But Austin and Randy are going to take care of you. You'll be fine. I mean, I might tune into stream here and there, but I'll just be traveling. Definitely Friday and Monday, not because I'll be actually traveling 2 weeks from now. But next week, I might stream from where I am, except for Monday when I'm traveling there. I don't want to go anywhere. It's too much travel all at once. Got to stream for the people. Had a lot in May, but thankfully it's just all in June. So knock it all out in June, and then July and August, nobody bother me because I ain't going nowhere. Then we're locked in for the summer. Yeah, I just don't know how much I trust this bounce. We'll see how the open does. Open slices right through it. Maybe we can get back above, but this is definitely a day of all days when we have sidewaysness on ES and Q moving a little bit higher, YM's down. Just always be cautious as always, but give it the first 15 minutes. This whole opening range break, the single break versus the double break that we've been talking about all morning, to let the opening range set, you have to wait 15 minutes. So no one should be in a trade from 9:30 to 9:45. That means we have 30 more minutes from right now of more price action to give us some information on what we want to do. We don't need to know what we want to do right now. It's like, yeah, I could want to long it here, but if I wait 30 minutes, maybe we're down here and I don't want to long it. So let me just wait and see. Or maybe 30 minutes go by, we go through the open and we are a little bit higher. It's like, shit, buyers are defending. I should be long today. Give it some time. As the day goes on, depending, as the day goes on, you take more trades. I can't say for sure that your decision making is going to get better. It's probably going to get worse. The longer you're staring at the charts, the more you're taking trades because now probably your decisions are based off of previous outcomes, whether good or bad. Where if you're flat, and again, it depends on how long you're just staring at the desk, but the more and more you wait, the more information you get. And with that information, you can hopefully make a better decision because you've got more pieces of the puzzle put together that, okay, I get a little bit clearer of a picture. I feel like I can make a better trade now than I could have an hour ago. So normally waiting is always a good thing. Yeah, sometimes you'll miss a trade, but like a lot of time waiting just gives you valuable information that you could use to your advantage. So a lot of people would read that as new information. But well, that's FOMO. I'm missing out on shit. Well, you read it as FOMO, like you feel like you're missing out. I feel like I'm just gaining information that is going to make my job even easier 30 minutes from now. So just the perspective you're taking it from like a victim perspective of like, oh no, I'm missing out. I don't give a fuck. I'm not missing out on shit. I'm watching stuff happen and now I can make a decision. Petro, good morning from Italy. Welcome on in. I was actually on the phone with my parents last night. I booked them a vacation to Italy because I'm not. That was actually one of the cooler things I've done this year. I'm sending my parents to Italy for the summer. Whoa, not the whole summer. Fuck that. We're not there yet. But I'm sending them on their vacation because I don't need a vacation. I don't feel the need to take a vacation this year other than the traveling I'm doing in June. So I'm sending them on vacation to Italy since they've never been. And I want them to still go while they're physically active and able to walk around and see all the shit. And I can go always see Italy 2 years from now, three next year, this year. I don't fucking know. But I got plenty of time. But you never know. So I'm gonna send them on vacation. So I was on the phone with them, booking their flights and their hotels. So that was cool. To Rome. So greetings from Italy. Go say hi to my parents, the Dyers. Yeah, what a shit show. Same, but different. It's gonna take a lot for me to want to sell it because we just see higher lows be formed. So get comfortable missing out on trades, especially if they're to the downside. I'd much rather miss a winning short than take a short and lose. 'Cause I'm like, you idiot, we're at all time highs. Why'd you even try that? You should know better. Any plans to visit India? It's already rainy here. No, I got no plans. No plans on going there, unfortunately. Maybe you'll get Randy there, but not me. I don't think so. It's a little far. Love how simple the strat is. I started like 2 weeks ago and I'm loving it. Nice. From Nebraska. Now I'll visit Nebraska. It's a little bit closer. Want to go to the me and you? It's fake and go to the College World Series. Do you watch that? Did you go to the College World Series in Omaha? That's the only thing I think you guys got going for you, know? Omaha, Nebraska, home of the World Series. Yeah, I don't know who wants to go to India, Rohan, unfortunately, but you never know. Absolutely. There you go. That and corn. Big selling point. We got corn and baseball. Come on over. But it also gets hot as fuck there in the summer, no? As it does here in Florida. But yeah, I always liked the College Baseball World Series. I used to play baseball. That's why I've always watched it more than most. It was always cool. Manny wants to go to India. I doubt it. I think he speaks as an Indian himself. I don't think he wants to go. I don't think Randy wants to go. I don't think any Indians I know want to go to India. So why would I want to go? You know, that's not very good sale tactics if they're not even wanting to go. Well, then I certainly probably don't want to go. But all right, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Then I'm going to jump over to Ace Fex TV, and we're going to have a great Wednesday. Enjoyed all the AI talk. And hopefully you guys were there for the recap of yesterday's trade and Monday's trade. If not, YouTube videos, as always, are going to be coming out. And all the days, there's one coming out at 11. So if you're not already subbed to my YouTube, then joke's on you. But they're always at 11 a.m. Eastern. So hour and 40 minutes. We wrap up stream at 11. Boom, a new video is out. There you go. So there will be one today, probably tomorrow as well. I have 2 videos. Just wondering if I should space them out, just go back to back. And then, yeah. So you got 2 streams today, a YouTube video from me, probably from Austin as well. What more do you need? Yeah, you can visit me here. That sounds like a better plan. My son plays baseball, 14U. Oof. #1 in the country. Damn. Well, yeah, Florida's always got that baseball. You got it year round. I'm from Jersey, so it was always like fall ball. But then in the winter, you're fucked. You would come down to Florida. So you guys just have it all year round. That's sick. 14U. So what is that, freshman? 8th grade. Is that 8th grade? I guess heading into freshman year. Probably 8th grade. Yeah, that's cool. We're getting some bounce here off the overnight VWAP. Never say never. Yes, focus on what you're trading. NQ looks good for longs. I might have to long this thing. No problem there. If we let the opening range set and it still holds above VWAPs and looks like buyers are in control, then I'm willing to long it. Not going to just say, oh, I'm longing it. Open can come in and sink 50 points. So take it one step at a time. Texas, Alabama, South Carolina. Yeah, those are the days. God bless you. Hiking your son around all those different states and hotels and stuff like that. It's crazy. It goes crazy. How do I get the overnight view up? So the indicator, like I said, is asfx.biz/indicator. We can go to a link in my bio, and it's the top one on YouTube or X. The top link will send you right there. BTC. It's fully customizable. There's a lot of things I don't even have turned on, but you guys might want them. Right, like a high a day or low a day view up, start of week, high of year, start of year, everything. The initial balance, yesterday's high and low. If you want to see, did we take out the previous day's high and low session. You could put that on there. All that good stuff. Even the previous week's value area levels. I just have previous days. So fully customizable. You can watch any 3 assets, not just the 3 indices that I do. You could put on gold there and oil, whatever you want. So I also have a YouTube video on that. Imagine that somewhere in here. It's paid the monthly payment. So the first month is free. So after your first month, then it's $97. But first month free gives you plenty of time to watch all the courses, all the replays, all the streams, get involved in the giveaways. And if you don't like it after a month, which I think you will, see you later. But then it goes to monthly. Yeah. All right. Good questions. Good questions. Good morning. Have a good trading session. If you're not going to join me on ASFX TV, let's keep up the momentum this month and keep it going. Am I signed out? I did sign out, didn't I? Oh, no, I didn't. So there you go. Oh, we are doing a giveaway today. My bad. But we're doing a giveaway. So if you sign up real quick for free, you can put your name on the list and maybe win a funded account. So I'll see you guys on here. Let's have a good Wednesday. I'll be back here pre-market on Friday. See you on stream.